itchy. Mosquito bite me.
Ma'am, I think from the report, your daughter has been infected with dengue.
Mommy, what is dengue? I don't want to be like Sarah. It's so scary.